BladeShow, Texas, with the one, the only Zeke Monaco.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Work Tuff Gear. He's going to show us some of their offerings at the show this year.
Well, first of all, thank you for being here. I really appreciate your guys' support. First one I want to show you is called the Ulti Heart. The Ulti Heart's one of the in-house designs from Victor Lynn. Victor Lynn is the owner and main operator of Work Tuff Gear. This is, of course, his version of the Kep Heart. I really love this knife. It's got a nice utilitarian handle, fills the hand. It's a little bit of a tank. It's got that bayonet style grind to it, so it's a little bit more, well, I guess you could say it's almost like a tactical Kep Heart, which is kind of funny to me to think about, but hey, it's different and I love it.
It's pretty sweet. What steel is that again?
So this one's going to be one of the SK85. The base steel that we do over here is SK85 tool steel. This one I wanted to show you, this is also SK85, but this is the new Pazan Wilderness Bowie 9. This one's a little bit different because, as you see, there's no choil on this. If you want something that's got a little bit more of a fighty feel to it, nice balance, great chopper, does everything a Bowie should do, this is absolutely the cat's meow of those ones.
You shut it hard.
I'll show you another one that's an in-house design. I think I love this one. This is the revision of Vic Lynn's Lanzetta. So this one is more of a European style fighter. Nice harpoon blade to it. Also in two-tone SK85. Just a wonderful knife. Great handles, fit and finish on this. You don't know where the metal stops and the actual micarta begins on these guys.
Well, I would say it probably stops right here at the edge.
Probably. Close your eyes and try it again. This one here, this is one of Alex Aurora Borealis's knives.
That's sweet.
These are super popular with the Bushcraft set, the survival set. These are good, tough knives. This is one of his mid-sized knives, the Wolverine. This one's in a new steel that we're doing called A8 Max. It's a cryo-treated version of, I think it's like an upgraded version of Boss 8. It's really a good stainless, nice and tough, good edge resistance, and you still get good bang for your buck on this one. We just jump over here and get one of our other custom makers. This is Jeremy Boulder Valentine's Hondo. This is a modern take on a kind of a harpoonish Bowie knife. Great mid-size, full-size handle, awesome weight to it. Very, very beefy, but still moves around really, really well. And finally, I got these little hop lights. Man, these things are cool. So it's a little neck knife that you could put on a spear. Just about one of the best survival tools you can have because it's going to be on you when you need it. And that's the knife that actually works in those situations.
I'm guessing that's a Kydex sheath with that one?
That's a Kydex sheath that comes with it. It looks just like a arrowhead on your neck.
And then what steel is that one?
These are SK85 steel as well.
SK85 as well? I like SK85.
This one too, because I don't think this one gets enough. Love. This is the Nymph, another one by Jeremy Boulder Valentine. As you can see, he did something a little bit different, skeletonized the handles, and then went with a half grip on it. Still has the fuller on it, all that good stuff, but man, this thing feels good in the hand. Nice and rounded when you come up to the handle, so it's not too rough there. And you can still strike sparks on the back of that edge if you needed to.
That's pretty sweet.
I guess we'll do one of mine since we're here too.
I guess.
That's the Nomad with no choil.
But I thought Ochoil rules.
Ochoil does rule. So here's the deal with this one. What we did was we took everything that was cool with the camp knife, and people like the geometry and all that, but we added the field knife handle to it. So now this is the same handle that you get all the way across the line. The Nomad 9s will have this, the new 12s will have this, the proper chopper has this, and then the field knife also has this. And what's going to change up a little bit on it is the thickness of it. Good general purpose, general utility handle. Get the choke up in the front. When you need a little more balance, go all the way down low if you need to get a little more angle on it and a little more geometry when you chop it.
Well done. All right, Zeke, thank you, sir, for giving us a tour of the table.
Thanks for coming, man. Appreciate it.
Wish you have a great show.
Thank you so much.
Make lots of money.
Right on. Have a good one, guys.
Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.